and in this video I'll show you all unlock methods. Go to Settings and enter Face ID and Passcode. First, choose what you want to use Face ID for example, unlock iPhone and scan your face. Once your face is scanned, you need to set a password. Now you can use Face ID to unlock the phone. To change the passcode, go to Passcode options and choose between Custom Alphanumeric Code, Custom Numeric Code, or 4-digit numeric code. Select your preferred option and set the new passcode. Now you can use that passcode to unlock the phone. That's all for the unlock methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.